guys, welcome to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. On today's video, of course, it's that time for Boxycharm. So this is the month of November Boxycharm. This is the month of November Boxycharm, and I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I got in my box. I'm excited to see. So let's get to it. I'm not gonna look again. Let's see. Let me find the paper. Okay. So this is Boxycharm Stellar. And on the inside, show you a little glimpse. We have all the products and what it retails for, and I'm gonna make sure I tell you guys what it retails for when I show you. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so the first item, I got the Boxycharm brushes. Look at these brushes, y'all. So the Boxycharm two-piece brush set, it retails for $35. I'm excited about this. Ooh, so these, okay, let me take both of them out. This is the package it came in. It says Boxycharm. And these are the brushes. And they're very soft. They're dense and soft, and I like dense and soft brushes, so you can use it with powder and liquid. So I'm most definitely going to be trying those. Yay! Let's see, what's the next item? What is this? Pretty Vulgar Undercover. Oh, lightweight concealers. So you get, these are like sample sizes, so you get 4 of them. This is their complexion customization and how it works. So what they do, they send you different swatches in. So it says swatch the Becca or Pretty Vulgar complexion pack, so they sent me the Pretty Vulgar complexion pack. I can see it from the back. Little White Lies, Veil of Secrecy. No, it's not. So this is Little White Lies, Tiptoe Over the Line, The Middle Ground, and Midnight Mystique. So this is Rich, which is a deep brown color for deeper tones, and this is Medium, and this is Light to Medium, and this is Fair. We have to let them know which shade best match. Oh wow, that is okay. That's cool. So I'll make sure I swatch it, let them know which shade. Okay, so that wasn't included in the box. They just sent that for the complexion swatches. Okay, let's see. What do I have next? What is this? Oh, so this is Starry Eyes Indulgent Self-Warming Eye Mask. So it warms up in 30 seconds. So you lay back and relax and put these over your eyes. I'll probably try them. Seems like it's pretty cool. So the Popband Starry Eyes Popmasks sets of 2 retails for $10. 10, not 10. $10. Okay. What else? What is this? Lipstick. Love liquid lipsticks. So this is the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. And this is in the color Flirty. Let me open it. And that retails for $18. I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. Oh, this is the color. This is a nice peachy neutral color, so that's pretty. Okay. Oh, guess what I got? Farsali. I guess that's how you pronounce it. The Farsali Rose Gold 24K Skin Mist. Y'all, I seen this in Sephora and I was trying samples of it. Well, I was trying the sample bottle and I loved it. Wasn't expecting to receive it in my Boxy, and I'm excited. So this retails for $39. Yes. And this is how, don't they look so pretty, guys? Look at that. So pretty. Let me spray it. Of course, I gotta try it. I just want to spray it on my skin just to see how it looks. Feels good. Left little spots. Yes, yes, I love it. See that? Gives your skin a nice glow. Excited. Okay, last item, I feel a palette. Celestial Thunder. This is an eyeshadow palette. So this is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $35. So these are the colors. Look how pretty those colors are, y'all. So pretty. And of course, I gotta swatch them. And I'm gonna call out the colors and show you guys, you know, what colors it is. So this is Eternal Light. This one is Fireball. Pretty, look at that. This one is called Black Matter. And this one, I'm swatching, is Zero Gravity. So that is the first row, guys. Okay, the last row. Lucid Dream. Storm Dust. Lunar Eclipse. Mystic Ice. That's what I'm swatching now. That is pretty. Pretty, pretty. So that's all the colors in the palette. Nice pigment. Very nice. And you get a nice size shadow. I'm excited about this one. Can't wait to try it. Alright, that's all the items. Like I always say. Okay, so y'all heard how much I told y'all these items retail for. And one of them costs more than the box costs. So, I mean, there's no more to say. So yeah, for $21 a month you get all these amazing items. You can't beat that. I'm always pleased with my box because they hook you girl up every time. Okay, so of course I'm gonna swatch these. I just want to see. I wanna see. Okay, so I already showed you guys these. I'm just gonna call out the colors to you and see how the concealer feel and everything. So and it comes in these little things. You just open it up. So I'm just gonna open it to see. So I do it with my little disposable lip wand. I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand. I don't want to get it on my finger. Okay, so this is Fair. Feels really lightweight, and I put a lot on there. So this is really lightweight, and it says light to medium. Oh, it says it's lightweight concealer, so it's really lightweight. And it's really creamy. I'm gonna see how quick it dries. So this is Fair. Okay. Let's do the other one. So the Fair one is called Little White Lies. Okay. So this is the light to medium that I'm getting ready to swatch, and it's called Tiptoe Over the Line. This is the light to medium color. So the medium is called the Middle Ground. So this would be my highlight color. I like that. So that's the medium right here. And the last one is the Rich, and it's called Midnight Mystic. Midnight Mystique. Ooh, I like that color. Pretty, huh? Right here. Midnight Mystique. These are so smooth and so lightweight. It's like I really don't even feel it on my hand. So you know, if you put them on your eyes or whatever you put it, it's gonna feel really good and lightweight. Pretty cool. So of course I'm gonna be trying the samples in the video, you know, to do a complete look. And of course you guys know that I'm gonna be doing a look with my Boxycharm items. I got to try that palette and this concealer and all that, and the brushes, yes. So stay tuned to that video. Let's see. So I'm gonna see how these dry down or whatever, and I'll be back. Okay, so it's starting to dry down some. I couldn't wait too long, but it's starting to dry down some, and like it's still like creamy and it looks so pretty. Yeah, it seems like a pretty good concealer. I just want to try it. Most likely I'm gonna have to try it on my face with the setting powder on it, see how it does under my eyes, you know, see if it creases and all that. So I'm gonna try that. But yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch me unbox this awesome box for $21 a month. Stay tuned to the next video. I'm gonna be doing a look with some of these items in my box. Be blessed guys. Bye.